Walking Macau Streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
So you can take your shoes off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That looks so wrong.
Yeah, I'm not doing it right for sure.
Yeah.
So actually these bonsai trees, they got them throughout. Oh, there's even a flower in there. Don't know if that, oh, that's from up there.
This will have some moss. Oh.
So that flower is not the bonsai tree. It's hello.
Hi.
I'm with my daughter today, and we are in a park. And do you know the name of this park?
Actually, no. Flower City Garden.
Flower City Park. So we're gonna do a quick little preview. So we're gonna go check it out, and it's also Chinese New Year, which is next week. And we have some decorations. There's some tangerine oranges. We're gonna just kind of show you what the park looks like, and I'll give you a little tour with my daughter here. Yeah. Yeah. Da-da-da-da. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So which way should we go? Left or right?
Right.
So first thing we're gonna notice is they got some nice places to sit, and they have some really beautiful park benches over here too. So I'm gonna just highlight the massiveness of these trees. The battery went out, but actually we're gonna highlight these big massive trees. So these are kind of throughout, and they're banyan trees. You can actually scan them and kind of check them out. The other nice thing about this is all these park benches that you can hang out at too. So this whole park is filled with park benches and kind of cool stuff. And then speaking of tree stuff, you can scan that. And my daughter's drinking a milk tea thing. We're gonna be checking that out too. There's also some Chinese New Year themes up there. So so we're gonna see that theme kind of everywhere in Macau these days, and we're gonna see it over here with these tangerines because we're gonna be walking that direction. We'll also explain the park a little bit and just kind of show you what's around it. So first thing we're gonna do is come around here. Got security cameras, surveillance, and lots of people kind of hanging out. I think today's a Sunday, so I think we're having more Filipinos and Indonesians, I think, on the day off. You know what these? You know what these are all about? I don't either, but everywhere I see on Chinese New Year for these holidays, they'll put these up all over the city. So I think that they just created this whole little thing in this Flower City garden with the tangerines in particular. And these ones look like they're still growing, the orange ones. Okay, so we're gonna highlight around here in a moment. We also have these banyan trees in here, so you got a whole series of these as well. Let's kind of highlight those real quick. So we got some beautiful banyan trees, and then also on the other side, I'm gonna just walk in real quick. You have these beautiful kind of walls that go all the way around as well. And then a lot of people hang out in this park benches. There's lots of places to sit, so you'll see a lot of the elderly will be here. So you can see that here, there's some elderly there. And then that woman I think is probably talking to family, because there's Sunday, we'll have some domestic helpers and things like that. And they'll have the day off. And since they live with a host family, they'll usually enjoy the parks and stuff such like that. Let's go see. There's my daughter right there. So we're gonna just step out for a second. Just kind of show you that this is still the city, and you have all this stuff, including all the tall buildings everywhere there as well. And way over there too, it's type of village, and there's a firecracker museum on that side too. So it's kind of came back this way, and you can see right there at the top it says Jardim da Cidade das Flores, which is Flower City Garden. Let's head back on in. I don't even know what that building is. I think that building is where they store stuff for see the more banyan trees, and then we can also come over here. We got some exercise equipment, so a lot of people will do these things, so it will attract the elderly. Then also this is foot circulation, so you can take your shoes off. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. That feels good. Oh dang. Oh ouch. Oh that was the pain. But then after you do it, the feet feel really good. Like I actually feel like rejuvenated from it. Once I take my shoes. Oh yeah. Like usually people won't walk as fast as I'm walking. That's really painful. You're supposed to do it slowly. But since we're doing a video, I don't want to do it slowly. Check out those kids. I want to highlight those a little bit. That's kind of cool too. It's actually, because some people are doing it with the shoes, but without the shoes it gets like the circulation is really good on it. Good on your feet. Got more exercise equipment.
That looks so wrong.
Yeah, I'm not doing it right for sure.
Yeah.
Actually, I have no idea. I think people would just maybe, I don't know what they would do with it exactly. We still know.
I know.
Oh, here it is.
Yep.
Here's what they do. They well, the picture says pull down, so you pull both of them down.
Whoa, there's a huge bubble.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you.
Oh, she knows how to do it. Good. Oh. So you can pull down like that. Okay.
Like something like that.
It seems so easy though. It looks so easy.
Yeah, to like stretch the arm or whatever. I think.
I thought it'd be a lot harder than that. So all you do is just push that one and that one and that one and that one. Well, I guess I kind of get it now. So my daughter's gonna film. Let's still go check out this goldfish over here.
Oh, there's even some huge bubbles. I don't know if you can see it.
It's also popular for kids. You got a black fish, white fish, yellow fish, goldfish, spotted fish. And you got the nice little kiosk up there, and then you got a YouTuber over there.
Yep.
So she's a streamer. It's an older lady who's a streamer. She's probably a Chinese social star streaming a video right now.
Here's where we at. It's okay. That's crazy. Look at that plant.
Oh yeah, these are the bonsai trees. So actually these bonsai trees, they got them throughout. Oh, there's even a flower in there. Don't know if that, oh, that's from up there.
This has some moss. Oh.
So that flower is not the bonsai tree. It's, that would be. I thought that seemed out of place.
This looks like that one thing from Harry Potter. That one plant from Harry Potter.
Oh yeah.
Kind of funny.
It's deceiving because the flowers are coming from up there. Oh, so it says no feeding or releasing animals because sometimes people will bring their goldfish and they throw their goldfish in there, their pet fish.
Don't do that.
Yeah. And actually what you're doing is you're feeding the animals because the bigger fish is going to eat it. Yeah, definitely don't want to do that.
Some birds. Oh, it's lotus. They're already
Prohibited from something about. Oh, I think you're not supposed to pick the flowers. So so I think they're just saying like because this will be all these little lily pads.
It does say.
Lotus flowers.
It does say don't.
Is that what it says? Don't pick the flowers.
Don't pick the flowers. Don't like grab it like.
The city has some kind of lotus leaf connection here in Macau, so.
Even the Macau flag has the lotus.
Oh yeah, Macau flag has the lotus leaf too. And Lisboa Casino. And Lisboa Casino also has like a lotus leaf look to it.
Yeah.
So I think what we're gonna do is we should highlight. Let's go out that way in a minute because it looks like an interesting thing. But over here, kids can ride their bikes and also skate as well.
Oh, it's scooters.
And over there, kids can play in the playground on the corner there.
Yep, there's that part over there.
Yeah. So, and usually I try not to film over there too much because I know that there's parents with kids and they don't want their kids to be filmed. Maybe not in detail like that. So we're gonna come out of Flower City Garden, and it looks like they're building some kind of festival here.
Chinese New Year?
Yeah, maybe something for the Chinese New Year.
Probably for
Here. And then we're just gonna take a quick look. So basically behind me, over there is the casinos. So you can see Venetian Casino, I think that's Londoner over there.
Yep.
So that's all that direction. This one is our famous, not famous, but our local supermarket for people that live in the type of Flower City area. Samuel. And over here goes towards Taipa Garden, Central Park I mean, and there's a library, a swimming pool, lots of stuff for locals. And then you can see the build-up of all the tall apartments too.
Very tall.
Very, very tall. So we have a nice density of apartments here. And then over there, we have the type of village where a lot of restaurants and bars are at.
Yep.
And I guess what we're gonna do is we'll show off our Flower City Garden Park. Then we're gonna end it right here. You want to be in the ending scene? Or just end it?
No.
1, 2, 3, go! 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.